Ja, godmorgen. Vi afgår herinde for 5 minutter.
Ja, det er modtaget.
God dag.
Tak lige måde.
We are today out here in Skagerrak in this beautiful day to demonstrate the technology that we have developed in the Smart Fish project, presenting this for fishermen and scientists from other European institutes that are coming here to see where we are with this technology. This trawl monitor, where we are able to see in real time through these two cameras here, and there's two LED lights that is installed in the trawl so that we can monitor the catch in the trawl in real time. This camera here is equipped with a coax cable that goes up to the vessel, so we will simply sit in a screen in the wheelhouse and see this. Today when you are fishing, and that's one of the issues in fishing, that there's very strict demands in what you are able to do, and there's a strict fisheries management that if you catch something that you shouldn't do, then that costs you in the terms of quota. So the purpose of this project here is to develop technologies that can act as decision tools for the fishermen, something that enables them to be more precise in what they catch, so they more efficiently can go in and catch what they want to catch, the species and the sizes, and avoid as much of the other species and sizes as possible. And to be able to do that, you need to see what's going on. We need to get away from fishing being a blind process to fishing being an informed process. And that's why we have, in this project here, concentrating on putting a camera down in the trawl, getting a live feed through our coax cable up in the wheelhouse. So the fisherman that's sitting in here, he is able to see on his screen when he's fishing exactly what is going into his trawl at the seabed. That means he can see, is the catch I want to catch, are they available? Is this a good place for me to fish? Is there something I should avoid? Am I utilizing my quota right? So you have the possibilities to do informed decision as you go. You don't tow for 4 or 5 hours before you take it up and judge whether this is a good thing or a bad thing. We have been able to obtain very clear images in the trawl. We have made in the project also a sediment suppressing system, so we don't have these mud clouds that typically occurs when you do underwater observations in trawl, that we are simply suppressing the sediment by putting in a sheet in front of the trawl here, so we can have the observation section in the very aft of the trawl, where we are able to monitor the entire catch that is passing through. So the operator or the fisherman, he will have a quantitative information of this. So today we are simply able to see what it is. We are away from the blind process, but the fisherman will still have to sit and look on the screen. So the next step here is to do automatic processing of this. It would be nice to somehow describe this automatically, and there we are using machine learning and artificial intelligence simply to describe the catch. What is the sizes that are coming in? What is the species distribution in this? Simply to have specific quantitative parameters to judge whether this process should continue or you should do something else. So you have a quantitative description as you go that you can operate your fishing activity after. We are in the wheelhouse now, and this is where we can sit and see the information that we get from the trawl, and we will see that on that screen we have over here. So we see what sizes it is, what species it is, and we see that in real time. And then we, in this here, take this information of the ongoing catching process, infuse that data into the towing track on the vessel. So in this case here, where it's nephrops, you can see where along this towing track we have made today, nephrops are caught and where they are about. And we can also, this here digitize the entire catching process. So that gives us quite a lot of opportunities to display this catch information in specific parameters that can aid the fisherman's decision in making his process. So we can see where along the towing track the different species are, and also where we should come back, where the concentration of our catching species is. So this should enable the fisherman to more efficiently target what he wants, and more efficiently also enable him to avoid species and sizes that he don't want.